Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Where in Pampanga community natin. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank the Happy Kitchen for sending us these amazing dishes, guys. If you are with me, grabe. It's like a, a feast, a celebration, or a catering. But to mind you guys, they are not a catering services. What they wanna serve are yung mga parang family intimate gathering celebration. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, bawal po yung mass gathering. But inside our family, we can still enjoy these kind of dishes. So as low as 2,950 pesos. Grabe, you get a list like this. Ayan, so parang nga po siya talagang catering services. And then you choose from the menu. Although some of the dishes are automatic, parang they are just staple dishes. Like for this baked mussels and oyster. Grabe guys, it's just mind-blowing, no? And then another specialty dish is yung kanilang perfectly spiced kalos, which is this one. Para siyang menudo, if I may say, para siyang ganun. And then, you choose one from the following. Either a savory roast beef with mashed potato, pastel de lengua, or kare-karing hipon. So, pinadala sa atin guys, yung savory roast beef with mashed potatoes. This is automatic. You get a baked macaroni. It has thick baked macaroni sauce. And then lastly, you get to pick from one of their pies. Available pies po natin dyan are apple crumble pie, lemon custard pie, and then isa pa dyan yung peach mango pie. On top of the desserts, nag-bake din po sila ng brownies, which is this, available here. If you check out their fan page, grabe, ang dami pa po nilang sinaserve. They have lots of specialty dishes. So we're just gonna grab some pictures from their fan page and show it to you guys as your guide if you are interested to, order from them. To spice everything up, they added this blended chili garlic paste, pampagana. Alright, where do I start? Where do I begin? Ala fine dine yan guys. Let's start with the appetizer. So let's start with this baked mussels and baked oyster. Hopefully you can see it. Oh man, this is such a feast. It's a celebration. Oh wow. Dun pa lang guys, it's already a period. Grabe. Oyster. Oh man. Wow. Oh wow. Namiss ko tuloy yung nasa dagat, nagsuswimming. You get to taste this one, but since we can't do that, we can order from them guys. These are really great food starters. Keep the appetite, rocket started. So tikman na natin yung kanilang main dishes. So this one is the perfectly spiced kalus. Just enough for us to taste test. Oh wow. Wow. So para siyang kaldereta. I stand corrected guys. It's not menudo. Para siyang kaldereta. Style kaldereta siya. And the kalos guys is really, really soft and tender. It's like you're almost, hindi mo na kailangan nguyuin. Got a little bit of the beef, konting mashed potato, at saka isang button mushroom all in one spoon. Let's put it in. Wow, what can I say? Oh man, this is just ang sarap. Ang sarap. And then lastly, I would like to taste sa mga main dishes nila is of course yung ating baked macaroni. That was just a small piece but really heavy one. Grabe, this is really thick in sauce. Hindi tinipid yung sauce guys. Let's taste it. Oh wow. Parang ngayon pa lang ako nakatim ng ganitong sauce ng baked macaroni. It's a bit minty and sweet. Although, my personal take, parang mas masarap sana kung medyo milky. Alright, so guys, last to take before I say goodbye to you, lemon custard pie. Wow! Parang meron na akong bagong favorite. Oh man, this is... So, the pie, yung pie crust niya, it's so flaky. Yung meat of the pie is so delicious, grabe. I can't wait to ask my family to join me in this feast. So guys, join your family as well. Make sure to order from the Happy Kitchen by Via. Check out their fan page. They can deliver anywhere in Pampanga. Just make sure to contact them. So guys, if you like the food that you saw in this video, grabe. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hopefully matingman nyo rin ng family tong mga, they brought us here sa bahay namin. So thanks for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, we hope to see you there. Hope to see you there, guys. This is a must try.